Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that, as I've already said, many people are just buying YouTube views, Facebook views, subscribers, likes and retweets and all these kinds of stuff. So basically people are buying fake engagement on their content on social media platforms. So a lot of people who think that they that a certain amount of fake engagement on their content is just going to give them a certain amount of boost that will eventually mean that will eventually mean some organic views on that content, on that video, on that whatever that content might be. I can understand where they're coming from, but at the end of the day, imagine if it is found out that you actually paid for some of the views in the early when you uploaded the content for the first time. The first chunk of views that you got on your content was actually fake, was actually paid for by you. So that you can get organic views in the future because of those paid views because of those fake views that you got upfront, that you paid for upfront. If something like that comes out in the news, if you are exposed that you are the kind of person who routinely buys views for your YouTube channel, or for any Facebook page or any other social media content that you have, people are not going to look at you with a great light. People are going to look at you as a fraud. I mean, and people might lose faith in you. People might say that you are inauthentic, that you are just that you cannot be trusted. You are just you are more than willing to manipulate the metrics just for the sake of your own benefit with the help of money. And people would say that, I don't want to watch a person like you. I don't want to consume the content of people who are indulging in these kinds of stuff. So you can understand the point that I'm trying to make. If you thought that a certain amount of fake engagement is going to give you the proper boost that you need for your organic views, imagine the nightmare scenario when that when that when it is revealed that, oh, you paid for your views. Okay, so people are not going to look at you with a in a great lens. So yeah, that's just a nightmare scenario for a lot of people, including for me as well. I mean, I would want my videos to get organic views. Yes, maybe my videos might not get millions of views, but still, I would be on. I can say that I've been honest with myself. I can say that I've not paid for those views. I wouldn't have that guilt on my conscience. And by the way, I still believe that karma is something that actually works. The law of karma actually works. I still believe that. And uh, if you think that you are going to get away with it, maybe you are going to get away with it, but eventually karma comes around. That's what I believe. And what people are doing is basically unethical. There's a difference between advertising your YouTube channel and paying for your paying an agency for getting fake views. Those are two different things. If people think that paying for fake views is nothing but just a way to advertise your video in front of people by showing the people, look, this video has 70 million views. Maybe they are fake views, but 70 million views. People might not know that they are fake views, and they might actually click on that video for the sake of for the sake of satisfying their curiosity. But you get the point that I'm trying to make. And imagine you have got your you have got your early spike, you have got your early boost in views or in engagement because you paid an agency to get some fake engagement, but then that backfired. after that you actually did not get any organic views on your content, any organic engagement on your content. No one is bothering to consume your content even after you paid initially that amount of money to an agency to get some fake views, to get some fake engagement on your content. So that initial payment of money that you made for getting that engagement, so that you can get some organic views in the future, that actually is a waste, a huge amount of waste. And when if YouTube or Facebook finds out that your content gets an early spike, and then your content's viewership goes down dramatically, YouTube and Facebook and all these other social media platforms might start suspecting you, and eventually find out that okay, that initial spike in viewership in your content was actually from an agency that you paid money to, that you gave money to that agency, and that agency was giving you that fake engagement. That was not real engagement. And if that happens, then YouTube can actually terminate your channel, Facebook can terminate your page. Do you want that to happen? So is that worth taking the risk for the sake of getting a few more views? Is it really worth it to put your entire channel, to put your entire social media presence on the line? What if you are banned? What if you are caught and the company decides to ban you? Facebook, YouTube, etc. decides to ban you from their platform. What are you going to do then? I might talk about this more in the next video, or maybe not. Until the next video, stay safe. Please consider liking this video. If you like this video, please consider sharing this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.